So welcome back, students. So in this program, as you can see, it's a Java program. So first let us recognize the familiar symbols, familiar literals. From this first line, as you can recognize, is the comment section. Then there is a semicolon, there is a terminating symbol, then curly braces to denote starting and ending of a block. Then there is another semicolon, end of a statement. Then we have a return type of a function, void. This main, what is the main? It is a main function. So function is written in a block, and function also can accept argument. So main is a function, it has a return type. So if this is a function, so this function is calling another function, and this is why there is no curly braces in this. If it is a function, because it is a call that we know from our first previous semester. What is a function? What is a function call? So function call is name of the function. This main is the definition of the function. Who will call this main function? The system will call this main function. This is a library function. We know the difference between library user defined function. This is a main function, this is the not main function. So it is a user defined function. So this user defined function have to be called to invoke. So and it is written by call statement. Then there is the integer data type statement. It is an array starting with the opening and closing braces. It is an integer array. We recognize this starting square and closing square bracket. And in the right hand side is the initialization of the array. This part is the initialization of the array. So it is an integer array. Print statement, we recognize this command print. Print means in the screen it will show something. Print means in the screen it will show something. Now what is this statement? Result 0 and result 1. Result 0 and result 1, this we recognize the array indexing. It's array indexing. 0 is the first element of the array, 1 is the second element of the array. And which array? Result array. Where is the result array? This is the result array. Now result array is equal to, that means somewhere the value is going to come. Who is going to give the value? The right hand side, this is a, we'll see what is this, but let us first go to this line number 32 and see that what is this. It is a function. It is a function. Its return type is an array. Its return type is an array. And this first word we will see this later on. But what we recognize from previous classes is that if something is written before a function, it is a return type. So it is a return type, and it is a returning array data type, square bracket. It's an array, and the name of the function is the send, and it is also accepting some argument. So if you see, observe here, send function, this function send, it is returning a data type, it is accepting a data type. And what is this? Accepting data type is array, returning data type is also array. So the send function, it passes a array, it have to give, it is the call function, so it have to give the array. So this is the function definition. It is a function definition, it accepts the array. So the send function, it passes a array. So it is the array, original array. This is the syntax of the array as we discussed before. And result is another array. So what is this use of this result array? This is our original array, this is the result array. Where the result array value is going to come? When the function is called, this function is going to return array. So let us now go to next line. Now plus symbol is an increment symbol. Plus. and ARR0 is name of this array, and 0 is the zero element, 1 is the second element. So this particular program is going to accept two number into the array. These two numbers are going to be passed to another function. This function will increment these incoming array value and will return a new array. This returned array will be stored in the result. So the return data type and the accepting data type, the function call should be equal, should be the data type should be the same. That we know, that is not a concept in Java but is in all language. So this particular program is going to accept two numbers in array and increment the two numbers and pass the value to the print statement.